Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to open and close your Peugeot 206 car hood. Let's start. Open the driver's side door and at the near of the pedals on the left side you can see a lever. This lever you have to pull. Pull it until you hear a click sound or until you feel something is unlocked. Then walk away and go to the front side of your vehicle. Then, here, as you can see, there is a lion. Not here on the left side, on the center. There you are. On or over the lion's head, there is a lever, a hidden lever. But here we can see it. There it is. If you push that lever up, then, or while you're pushing up this lever, you can lift up the car hood. Yeah, here we are. Now we get it in position. And there is a supporting stick on the right side. This you have to hug there. Oh, a little hug for this stack. Oh yeah. Now you have space and you can maintain your engine area. If you go to close the car hood, unlock it, and then smash the car hood into the lock. Approximately 20 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.